Big up Crosses TV.
No stop. Take off on the mask from the face. Now Crosses. That's how the thing name. Crosses Blood Clot TV.
Nobody are not hero in a day. Nobody now see nobody. Somebody come with hammer and machete and stand up. So what? The great that show that that's how stupid them is. From me, you know, say Uko come up me outside and wait for Uko. As Uko lift up her foot out.
Crosses TV, the video that they know Crosses TV. Say not gonna get no. The video with them gear with me just.
No, but the end of the day, well, I'm Uko when me talk. As Uko lift up out our car, I be a big stone, all the car I get licked down. Everybody I get licked down. But the end of the day, them say them can't show nothing at all to show say Uko get a hackle or a tackle. But we attack after fact. We see Uko turn up. Even our own friend them up to say to get Uko a brownie for that Uko a tribe that Uko turn up and call her out. So that alone, all them attack. We don't do it.
I want one just get a phone call when my ears are post put up with you say I get beat up. All that go.
Bessie, you there? You see video? You see video?
No.
You see that video,
somebody called me and tell me a while ago.
That's why you learn for see video. You see that video when I see the video, when I get the video, and you give me the video, then I can't talk, Bessie. No video, then I never get beat up, Bessie.
Who could turn up at the yard? Who could tell them say she turn up? She say she go watch her TV when Uku come. When Uku go there, Uku have to call her outside. When Uku call her outside, she come out with she and rallying. After Uku try draw Uku in the house at two. So that's not winning there, sir. And we still not see a video with them.
Draw Uku in them house.
Yeah, if you suck Uku, we suck her. Boom, boom.
But Uko, you're a bad girl. Uko, your family, them, your family, them, did talk to a while ago now when we get the phone call.
Uko tight. When you come back out, you're going to have the Uko big.
Bessie, what happened, Bessie? I get to the house here, Bessie. I was on live there, so when I reached there, she come out and then rally pull up on me. Cause me that have the phone, me know all them never see the surgery.
Yeah, me
so she that had that
surgery.
surgery.
Come up to her and I say,
where you at? Phone out of my hand. She box out the phone. All she do, Brassy, she hold me and I fight me, and me I take myself off her. That's all me I do, Brassy. So Brassy, the neighbor them tell her, low me alone, Brassy. Our intention is for drag me to the house and kill me. But me slide it and come out of the and I kick them off of me, Brassy. And then the neighbor open the door. So you would have gone to the neighbor house more than going to them house, Brassy?
Of course.
Eh?
Of course, you say me girl, you go lick her.
You would have gone to the neighbor house, Brassy.
Two of them are gang you.
The two of them are gang me. 2 pound 1.
So why you go there alone?
Well, she go there alone and she come back.
Hey, you Hey, you win the fight.
You me tell the breast.
You know what? You win the fight.
Them say she win. Fret them say she give her a brownie for that. Because
yeah, you win the fight. Me not telling a lie. Me give a crown for that. You know me get out. You turn up.
Rotten teeth diarrhea, Madman candy. Over there.
Turn up. You're the only girl turn up. Me give a crown for that.
Hold on. Come here, tell me. There's no laughing after Uku because we don't see a video with Shutterback and show fist Uku. We see Uku turn up. We see Uku turn up and call you out. And you come out and your man, we see your man approach Uku. We see your man approach Uku. And you and your man approach Uku on the video. So you want
to first, as we come out of the cab, him jump down, she open her phone with a big blood clot machete and at the chopper and the police carry to the blood clot station now. It's because we never get no blood on the up on me. The two of them would have got the two of them would be at the station right now, post. You get where me I come from, post? As me come out, he come down and say, hey girl, you have to me fuck my daughter. I say, what you gonna do? You gonna kill me?
Yeah.
And then the two of them are
trying. When you say that. The two of them are trying
squeeze me neck
close. All them talk about shut about, no do nothing at all. I know we can't see a part.
She a try to squeeze my throat, post. She a try to squeeze my throat. Some say, well, you gonna kill me. I mean, I take myself out. I mean, look, me that people going on and clot clothes. I'm going to dirty blood clot clothes.
Why
Come and prepare
you
for
never tell me
it.
say you go over there, me send 2 Batman with you?
Brassy, everything you take for joking it.
But Brass, what me tell Uku, but Uku didn't know
No,
say
it's not
Uku
a
should have tell
joke.
Candy them
When you
say
go
she'll
them
go
place,
over
you
there.
have to have
So
2
Candy
Batty
tell
boy
her.
with you, my love.
Uku should have tell Candy them because
Just
Candy them
2
did a
stone
pull up on it.
and chalk.
And Rolling that get be a kicking and batty.
I know the Batty boy would have rush
And I
Rolling.
ask you. I just told Uku can't wait because Uku should have wait. But at least you still win the fight. Uku can you go and girl door and you don't come with
And
no scratch.
she
Even
and
them
her
hold
man a
on.
try to
See, even
kill
them hold
you.
on for your clothes and hold on for your wig. Yeah, bad girl wiggle out themselves out and I said take that. And
Yeah,
gone. Go ahead.
yeah.
I'm
You
not win the fight. No,
me
but you
like
lose.
that.
When I stupid idiot, 12 and I could even try in a little Uku bit. Do the maths. When I make
So,
Look
remember,
why
Uku
you with
you
a
wiggle
still
out
not
fight,
going
and
in the I never came in the house post. I'm not have on the
him could
shoes.
carry
Me
you
not
there
have on
because
the shoes.
you
Me not
never
have on
carry
the
you
me
down.
not have on the
No, me don't know your
socks,
body
bro.
that situate.
Me
It'll
not
eat you
on
down.
the shoes. Me have on dirty shoes post. Cause me never run no joke post. Me never have on the shoes post.
T-shirt
I swear
one
to
teeth your
God.
wig.
Eh? I'm a
And your
tip
wig
my wig. I'm
she
come down.
one teeth and your phone.
Yeah. That's why the police go in the house and dig up for my phone.
Super.
Cause Candy said take our phone.
Super.
That's why the police dig up for the machine. Our same neighbor will help me for going in the house. Our same neighbor say yeah, she have the machete and she have the knife. So that's why the
Yeah.
undercover them go in the house
So
and
that,
dig
that
up.
they can charge her for that too as
And
well.
don't worry
And
yourself, Post. Don't
Hold
worry
on
yourself.
now,
I need
hold on the brassy
never
as the
talk for
police them
her.
come. Hold on the brassy as the police them come here out to the police. She come here for kill me, officer. She come for kill me.
Yes, see your paperwork them look over this upon my dresser. Alright.
And I'm
Alright,
talking
later.
water in my heart and my mind. Who could you beat and
Beat
because
you beat and
she
teacher
left
Uko, but guess
from
what?
2 hour, hour
Mo?
and a half in her
Guess
yard.
what, Mo?
And she know you come her yard and she don't do nothing. She don't make you come now, come show yourself with a
Post,
bust up face. All you
post.
think obviously when people are fight, then we come out. So that kind of
Janet,
nothing. All when
Janet.
people are fight and people are all up on them clothes, people run out of shoes and clothes. But did my body get a scrape? No. Move, we don't win nowhere. That teeth there. Big old candy over there, so they won't go to about because I tell you in the next couple of months and then say when I go bring down your blood clot. Who could deal with you?
Hey, listen, yeah. Janet, what are we are neighbor eater?
Yeah, I neighbor eat her. Very
Hey,
tell the neighbor so she always walk around naked and bigger. For them,
our neighbor
Uko, Lord God, Uko, why never take the neighbor number, Uko?
The neighbor number.
Take
The
time
neighbor
then,
said to the police, do
Uko,
you
we
know
got
the woman?
talk, Uko,
The
so we
woman
go
said
take
she's a mad
Nicole,
time.
woman. Them say she's a mad woman.
All
So,
right.
yeah.
Nicole, the neighbor eater. You think you can come and say, Maya,
I'll let you
and my
in.
neighbor take her side with Uno we
All
come
when
for fight
you
me?
already run, come
You
in my neighbor beat
must
you in
have
there.
mad no bombat. Me? You must have mad. My neighbor, them are going to on my side. Just like when the boy them come and I rush the boy and the whole area's neighbor run out. I'm
Right, that's all,
run out and say that
Brassy.
Uko.
yeah,